Welcome to this 3D AutoCAD tutorial in which we will be making this part. So let's begin. This is the interface of the AutoCAD, and here we have previously made task. In order to make the new task, just select this option. And now we have to move to the 3D environment. For that, select this option, and here we have to select the 3D modeling. Okay. And then drop down this menu, and in here select this shaded view. And then drop down this menu, and here we are going to select this SE isometric, and here you can see we are in 3D environment in which we have 3 axes. And now we have to type this command UCSI, click enter, and here select no region option, and here you can see the XYZ axis have moved to the bottom corner. So select this box, click here in this environment and make a rectangle here. Specify first 120 and then press tab on your keyboard, and then specify the width as 80, and then press the enter button on your keyboard, and then we have to specify the height. So in upward direction specify the height as 20, then press enter, and here you can see the box has been created of specified dimensions. And now drop down this menu, and here we need to select this cylinder, and in here we have to select this 2p. What is the meaning of this 2p? Let's see. Select this midpoint and then select this midpoint. So here what was the meaning of that 2p? That means that we have to specify 2 points. Just specify the height as 20 and then select the cylinder again here and make a circle at this very origin. Okay. Specify the diameter as 20 and set the downward height as 20 as well. Okay. And now we have to subtract this circle. For that, select this option, then select this body, outer body, press enter, then select this inner cylinder and then press enter, and here you can see the hole has been created here. So let's make another hole. Select cylinder here and make a circle at this center. You have to find this origin and specify the diameter as 15, specify the downward height as 20, press enter, and now we have to subtract again. Similarly, select this option, subtract option, select this outer body, this outer body, this outer body, press enter, and now select this inner circle and then press enter, and in this way you can create holes. Okay, now drop down this menu, select the box, select this corner, and in this direction type 20 and then press tab. Now specify the width as 80. Now specify the downward height 30 millimeter, then press enter. And now we have to copy this box that we have just created. For that, we have to select the copy option. So type CO and we have to select this copy. Press enter. Select this body, press enter, and drag from this point to this point. And after that, press the escape button. And that's how we copy the objects in AutoCAD. So now it's time to unite all the parts together. For that, select this union option, then select this body, and this body, then press enter, and here you can see all of these parts are converted into a single body. And now it's time to mirror the same body. For that, write MIR and press enter. Select this body and then select this midpoint, this one. Okay, select this midpoint, and here you can see the part has been mirrored. Now press the tab button, and in degree we have to specify 180 degree. Okay, so press tab twice and then specify 180 degree, and then click enter twice, and here you can see the part has been created. And now let's see how we can view this part in different shades. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.